we've been seeing over the last few months a number of technology companies starting to announce layoffs, particularly companies in the US. And we've also been seeing a number of retailers starting to lay off employees as well, and announcing that their businesses were slowing down. Most notably, Walmart putting out a profit warning this morning. And when we consider that Shopify is a technology company that's primarily servicing retail businesses, then on both sides, really, you can see that their sector has been slowing down quite a bit, and it's not a surprise that at some point it's caught up to them. And it was interesting in the letter that was published, they showed a chart where sales had really moved up ahead of the longer term growth trend, and now they're kind of coming back to it. So, which in itself is intriguing. Just suggests that the longer term potential remains there for growth, but what we're running into now is more of a cyclical factor, whether it's high inflation, it's a slow economy. Certainly the high inflation and rising costs is impacting retailers, and when it's impacting retailers on their profitability, then they have less money to spend on technology. Now, the flip side of that is that a slowing down may also encourage more retailers to start to build up their e-commerce sites. Things appear to have really slowed down in the North American economy, really into May, June, into July in particular. The US has been struggling for much of the year. Canada has received a bit of a benefit from high energy prices, being an energy producing country. So we have had up till now the blow cushioned a little bit in Canada. A number of international economies are struggling quite a bit, whether it's the US or Europe or China or elsewhere. So at some point, Canada's not an island, and we can't completely insulate ourselves from the larger global trends.